channel. Today we'll be cooking some barbecue ribs. So the first step is to clean the meat, which we've already done. So we're going to move on to the second step, which is seasoning the meat. First we're going to add some jerk seasoning. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of nutmeg. About a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add some ground ginger. Some black pepper. Some salt. Not too much because the jerk seasoning already has some salt in it. And finally I'm going to add some cloves. Now it's time to mix it up. Add a chopped onion and some garlic. You can also add some spring onion and some herbs if you want to. Now we're going to add a little bit of water before we put it on the cooker. This is so that it doesn't burn. We're going to have it on the cooker until it's tender. Now that the pork is cooked, I'm coating it in some barbecue sauce.